Tokyo Otaku Mode visited Sushi Making Class Emi near Roppongi for a phenomenal experience making Edo-style sushi. While we're very fresh to making sushi, the star chef at Emi has honed their skills in the art for over 5 years, and they've even served sushi at a Michelin star restaurant. All that to say, we were in good hands. Emi means to bloom in Japanese, and the chefs expressed their aim to bring out the unique umami within each piece of sushi, something you'll get to taste firsthand. From sushi's long history to its basic anatomy, we finally understand how much talent and craftsmanship goes into prepping the rice, rolling the papers of seaweed, and presenting the perfect sushi shape. It felt like we were behind the scenes as we watched the chef work in front of us, and we were in awe as they demonstrated their skills in a truly high-end experience and opportunity unlike any other. The teaching process went smoothly because of the staff's kindness, attentiveness, and their English fluency. We really enjoyed the guided experience they provided and their easy to follow instructions, helping us make our own sushi without any hesitation. You'll make maki-sushi, thin rolls, nigiri-sushi, and gunkan-sushi or battleship rolls during the 2-hour class, and there's even an option to add a sake set. Check the link in the description to reserve your course and make your trip to Japan an unforgettable and delicious experience. All that's left is a quick photo op and to eat. いただきます。